Hello everyone. Today I'm filming from a very strange angle because I want to dig the carrots out of this bed and I'd like you to see what we get. This is the bed that I originally planted up at the start of the coronavirus. We've done very well out of it so far. We've had quite a lot of lettuce and rocket. We've had peas which finished yesterday. All that's left are the carrots. So I'm going to dig them out and we'll see what we've got. What have we got here? That's not bad. Bit of a strange shaped one there, but we'll forgive that. They're nice little carrots, aren't they? Been a bit worried about digging these out because I don't want to embarrass myself too much. Knew they'd be small because they're only a small carrot, but oops, just broke that one off. Now, a little baby one. You may remember this was just one row that I did. Oh my, look at that. It's the last two on this side. Ah. That's a three-legged one. I don't know what happened to that. No, that's it for that side. Just loosen this soil. A few tiny ones there, but now that. There we go. Oh, left one in the ground there. See, that's the sort of size. It's because I'm pulling them rather than digging. I'm breaking the tops off. Just loosen it. Slightly smaller ones at this end. Getting towards the end of the road now. Obviously I should have been thinning these out a bit more and I'd have got all big ones. But I don't mind the little ones, they go nice in the potato salad or something. Just a couple more. And the last ones. Ooh. Very nice. Do you know, I'm really pleased with those. On the whole, they've done very, very well. They're a good shape. Just a few bent ones. So what have we got? Oh, from one row. That's not bad. Let's go and weigh them. I'd really love to weigh them with their greenery on because they weigh a lot more, but maybe that'd be cheating. So what I'm going to do is snip them off. Just leave them a little bit because it keeps them fresher. What a perfect little carrot. And that's it, the last one. So, out of one row, we've got £3.12 and 1,688 grams. Pretty good going, I think. And they was all in really good condition. And I just had 5 strange shaped ones, including a three-legged one, which I think is quite cute. I hope you've enjoyed the carrot reveal. Until next time, it's bye from Valerie.